Hey guys, it's Serena. And for today's video, I'm doing a very special one. I filmed a very pretty Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. You guys know You guys know Valentine's Day colors speak to me literally. Pink is my favorite color if you didn't know already. But yeah, you guys, I created this very pretty smoky eye with some glitter. It's like a very I don't even know how to describe it. Just a pink smoky eye basically with some glitter on the side. But yeah guys, I created this very pretty pink smoky eye with some glitter and a nice glossy lip. I did create this look with one of my very great friends on YouTube. Her name is Jen, and I will have her channel down below as well as her video linked, and I will put the intro in here so you guys can see. But I love her so much. She's so cute. She's so funny and nice. And yeah, so definitely go check out her video as well. We both did Valentine's Day looks, and this is a collab, so I will have her video again and all of her social media down below, so be sure to check her out. I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I did get new lights. I got a whole bunch of new ones. I ordered them, and I also got a new backdrop, which I'm using both of them today. And if you do not follow me on Snapchat, I'll have it right here. It's just my snap code. You can screenshot it and add me. But I did show you guys the lights and stuff before I filmed this video and my new backdrop if you guys have not seen it or don't have me on Snapchat. So be sure to add me so you guys can see, you know, what I do behind the scenes. But I really hope you guys are enjoying it. I invested a lot into my lights and equipment and backdrops, and I'm really trying to improve for you guys, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you guys aren't celebrating Valentine's Day, or you don't have a man's or a woman's or whatever the case may be, it's okay. You guys can still create this look to go out wherever you are going. If you're staying in the house, if you want to do a look, if you're going anywhere, honestly, this doesn't have to be Valentine's Day related. I just wanted to do this because you guys know I love the color pink, and Valentine's Day is so cute or whatever, so I just wanted to make this a look. But without rambling on, let's just get started with the tutorial. Hey guys, so I already have one eye done as per usual, so now I'm going to be dipping into my Abh Modern Renaissance Palette and taking my Colourpop blending brush in the style E2, and I'm taking the shade not burnt orange, raw sienna, and I'm putting that all in my crease as a transition shade. And sorry if it's a little bit weird or goes out of focus during this time or any time throughout the video, because I did get new lighting and backdrops as I stated, so I'm still figuring out the lighting and situation like that. But now I'm dipping into my Morphe 35B palette and taking that hot pink shade on a smaller crease brush from Colourpop and just blending it in to make a more pink color for my lid. Then I'm taking the shade Love Letter on a fluffy BH Cosmetics brush. It's kind of ratchet because it broke, so I had to, you know, put it together with some tape or whatever. But I'm taking that Love Letter shade and blending it all together, basically making a really pink, burgundy-ish kind of smoky eye. So just putting it all on my crease and lid. And then I'm going back into the palette and taking the shade Venetian Red and just putting it on my lid and blending it in my crease as well. I'm going to be going back into all these colors that I've used and just continuing to blend them all out to make a nice smoky eye. I'm just taking a baby wipe and wiping the edge just to have a sharp cut on the side of the eyeshadow. Then for my lashes, I'm taking my Dodo lashes in the style D309 and some Benefit They're Real mascara. I do have a discount code for these Dodo lashes. It will be down below in the down bar if you guys would like to use it. Then for my face, I'm taking my Honey Do Me Up primer from, NYX. I'm going to be putting it all over my face. You guys don't need that much. I put a lot because it's my first time using it, but you definitely don't need that much. A little bit goes a long way with this primer, so I'm just putting that all over my face. Then I'm taking my Benefit Matte Pore Rescue primer. It's the gel one, and I'm putting that all over my face in the places that I want to stay matte. Then I'm taking my two Fenty foundations. You guys know the drill. I'm just putting those on and then spraying some, I think, rose or cucumber water on my face just so it's not too dry or anything when I blend it out. But just putting that all over my face and blending it in with a brush. And the brush I'm using is a Morphe G6 brush for anyone wondering. I absolutely love it. I've been blending my foundation lately with a brush, and this brush is literally a lifesaver. It's so good. No streaks. It's amazing. Then I'm just taking my NYX concealer, this is just their HD one, and I'm putting that all over my face to highlight underneath my eyes, bridge my nose. You guys know the drill. And then I'm following up with my Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay and just blending that all out with a beauty blender. Then I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and I'm taking it on an e.l.f. stippling brush. And I usually do not cream contour, you guys know that, but I decided to do it today because, you know, Valentine's Day, special occasion or whatever. I'm just going to be cream contouring my cheekbones, nose, forehead, chin, all that kind of stuff, just so my makeup lasts longer and it just looks better throughout the night. Then I'm setting my entire face with the Patrick's powder from MAC. Oh my gosh, you guys, this powder is so good. I definitely recommend it. I don't know if it's limited edition or not, but I'm definitely going to be picking up some more because this stuff is a bomb. Then you guys, I finally picked up a new Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. You guys know this is my favorite bronzer ever. So I'm just going to be bronzing up my face and setting all the places that I put that cream contour earlier. Then I'm going into my MAC blush. This is in the shade Desert Rose. Again, all shades and everything will be down below in the down bar with all the products, but I'm just going to be taking this on my cheekbones and blending it upwards. Then I'm taking my Laura Mercier Medium Deep Setting Powder and just cutting out my contour and blush just to make it look a little bit more sharp. And yes, guys, I did get it in my hair again. Don't judge me, don't judge. Then I'm just setting the side of my nose contour just to make it a little bit more sharp. I'm going extra for this tutorial today because I usually don't do this, but you know, Valentine's Day is a little bit more extra. Then I'm going into my Dose of Colors Desi Katy highlighter in the shade Mirame. I love this one, you guys. It's the perfect shade for my skin tone, so I'm just going to be taking that and putting it in all the places that I want to highlight. Then I'm taking my Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. This is really pigmented, you guys. You only need a little bit, so I'm just tapping some on the areas that I just placed that Dose of Colors one. And then for underneath my eyes, I'm just taking the Love Letter and the Venetian red shades and putting them underneath my eyes, and also taking that hot pink shade from the 35B palette and following up with that. Just putting those same eyeshadows I used on my lid underneath my lash line, and then I'm taking those same highlighters and highlighting my brow bone and inner corners as well. Then I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and my Pink Kisses glitter from, I believe this is Bulk Glitters or Super Glitters. I'm going to be putting down the primer first and then placing the glitter on top just to add a little bit of extraness, and then to make it kind of like an ombre pink glitter. In my inner corners, I'm taking Bulk Glitters, what is this? I believe this is Blushes Pink, and I'm putting that right on top. Again, all shades and everything will be down below, but I'm just putting it on top so it doesn't look like flat, it looks more dimensional, I guess. And then for lips, I'm taking my Kylie Cosmetics Brown Sugar liner and lining my lips with that. Then I'm taking my Colourpop liquid lipstick and taking it on a brush so I don't apply too much, but this is in the shade More Better. And then I'm taking my Anastasia liquid lip in the shade Pure Hollywood and putting that mostly all over and in the center. There's a lot of steps for this lip, guys, but just bear with me. Then I'm taking a lip brush and blending the two together. Then I'm taking my K lip liner from Colourpop and lining my lips with that. And you guys could leave it matte like this, but I decided to add a gloss. So this is MAC's lip gloss in the shade Delight. And then in the center, to make it kind of ombre again, I'm taking the KKW lip cream in the shade Kimberly. Then to finish off my face, I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus setting spray and also taking the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And you are done! Alright guys, that's the end of my smoky Valentine's Day makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. Again, if you guys don't have a boo or anything or aren't doing anything special for Valentine's Day, honestly this look can be created for anything. I just love pink, so I was just like Valentine's Day, pink, a look. But yeah, if y'all don't got a mans or whatever, don't fret, girl. Don't fret. Be sure to check out Jen's channel and her video down below, and all of her social media will be linked down there, so be sure to check her out and tell her that I sent you guys. Also follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. You know what I have. They will all be linked down below, as well as the end card of this video. And before y'all leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Like, you're already here. Like, why not click the subscribe button? It's free, you know. Join the Serena Nicole family or whatever. And also click that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a video. I love you all so much. We hit 2.1K yesterday and I'm so excited, guys. Literally, I love y'all so much. The family just keeps growing every single day. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.
I can take that shit, pussy tight as long johns. I'ma make that fit. See the thing about you that caught my eye. And I never tell a chick about the pipe I get, cause if she ever disrespect, I have to fight that bitch. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in a special way. And you know me, we gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like
yeah, it's so good, pussy so good. If I could quit my job and fuck you all day shit, I would, yeah I would. Yeah I would. If I could quit my job and fuck you all day shit, I would.